Hey guys, Miss Richardson here. Got me a board so I can teach. You can pretend like we're in class together. But like I said, we were going to go over prepositions today. We kind of talked about them before. In the first video, I went over the website that had all the prepositions on it that were really important and that are pretty common in the English language. So right now I'm going to go over some of the location ones. This is not all of them on the list, but just a few of them so I can demonstrate. Two of the words above and over are very similar. And all it means is up here. It is not touching this. It's just above it. Above, like my hand is above the board, over. This would be on, above. The next set, below, under. Okay, so if I take my magnet, I'm going to put it under. Okay, so under, it's kind of hard to see the board. Go down. So my hand is under, below the board. Okay. The next word is around. When you go around something, kind of think of the word round. So around. Around. Okay. The next one is a phrase. It's more than one word. There are 1, 2, 3 words. It is in front of. I am standing in front of the board. In front of. Now the opposite would be behind. So I am going behind the board. Behind. And then I walked around. Okay. The next is beside. Also the phrase next to. Okay. So again, not touching. And like me, I am beside the board. I am next to it. Inside. Like this magnet is going inside the box. We are inside the house right now. Opposite of that is outside. So I can take it and put it outside of the box. Okay? My kids hunted Easter eggs. Okay? So here's an egg. I am going to put a toy inside the egg. Inside. Whoop! And it fell outside. So now it is outside of the egg. And the last position word I have is between. We see this a lot, okay? So like this magnet is in between the two boxes. Okay? So I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to show you some other prepositions, but I need to erase my board. So give me just a couple of seconds. And I'm back. So we have some more words. Okay, these are going to be movement words. Okay, so I'm going to read them, and then my kids are going to show you how each of these looks in person. So we have the word across. We have back to. You've probably heard that before. Go back to your seats. Down, down, up, into, out of, past, through, and towards. Now, through is really hard to kind of show. We usually say that like when you walk through the hallway, so you're moving through everybody. There's always a lot of people in the hall, okay? So I'm going to let my kids demonstrate some of these. Okay. All right. So, say hello.
Hello.
Okay. So right now they are going to walk across the room. Across. Walk across the room. Walking across the room. All right, stop. Now go back to your seats. Back to. All right. And then let's go up the stairs. Up. Up the stairs. Up. All right, now come down the stairs. Down. Go into the living room. Into the living room. Go into the kitchen. All right, now come out of the kitchen. Out of the kitchen. Walk past the bench. Walk past the bench. All right, and now come towards me. Come towards me. Okay, that's good. Thank you. Say goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, so I know that was a little bit of a demonstration and you couldn't see the words while they were doing that, but you can go back and watch the video and look at any of the other stuff. So remember, your assignment is to write 3 sentences using any of the prepositions we've talked about today.
Yeah.
And draw a picture to go with each sentence, or you can take the quiz, and the code is on my blog. So that's it. Thank you.